Deep in the heart of China's Hunan province lies a natural wonder that defies imagination. A drop so sheer, it isolates two mountain peaks by 430 meters of empty air. For American engineers, building a bridge is math. Building this bridge was a declaration of war against gravity. This is the true story of how they built the Zhangjiajie glass bridge, step by impossible step. Suspended 984 feet in the air, it is the world's most terrifying pedestrian skywalk. Before the steel and glass arrived, this canyon was a pristine, impassable void. The specifications were staggering, over 1,400 feet long and 20 feet wide. But turning this blueprint into reality required a crew of fearless men willing to work on the edge of oblivion. The first major hurdle, securing a foundation in sheer rock, faces 300 meters above the valley floor. Every inch of rock fought back, requiring brute force and relentless endurance. 4 massive anchor points were excavated, designed to grip the mountain like giant mechanical claws. Thousands of pounds of reinforced steel were hauled to the edge by sheer muscle. High-strength concrete was poured deep into the earth, locking the structural roots into place.
These subterranean pillars would soon support over 2,000 tons of hanging steel and glass.
With foundations set, the engineers faced an impossible dilemma: how to cross the vast, empty space. Using traditional cranes to carry cables over a 1,000-foot drop was entirely out of the question. The solution required a modern aerial approach, precision-guided drones. A lightweight pilot line was attached to the drone, the very first thread of this massive web. Fighting unpredictable canyon crosswinds, the drone made its perilous journey across the gap. Once the pilot line was secured, the true heavy lifting began. This single string acted as a guide, pulling progressively thicker ropes across the void. Slowly, the primary suspension cables were dragged from one side of the mountain to the other. These primary cables were locked into the cliffside anchors, absorbing millions of pounds of force. But to build a bridge, the men couldn't stay on the edges. They had to walk out into the sky. A temporary suspended catwalk was erected, creating a fragile workspace above the abyss. Suspended in thin air, these men worked through howling winds, with no solid ground beneath them. One wrong step, one failing harness, and the drop was a guaranteed fatality. Engineers utilized a ground-anchored suspension system, fanning the cables out to prevent deadly swaying. Back on solid ground, the bridge's metal skeleton was taking shape. Workers meticulously welded the steel girders and crossbeams that would form the bridge's spine. To add necessary weight and eliminate wind sway, these hollow girders were pumped full of reinforced cement. Once assembled, these colossal metal puzzle pieces had to be moved out over the open canyon. Using the main cables as a track, the deck segments were hoisted and rolled out into the air. Working from the edges inward, crews risked their lives to catch and connect the swinging steel. Piece by piece, the metal skeleton crept out from the mountainsides toward the center. Each segment was locked into the vertical suspender cables, distributing the incredible weight. As they approached the middle, the tension in the structure and the crew reached its peak. The final keystone closure required millimeter precision, A single miscalculation would mean starting over.
When the final bolts were driven home, the canyon was officially conquered by steel. Now came the most delicate and dangerous phase of the entire operation: the glass. This girder cable suspension completely eliminated bulky beams, creating an unbelievably sleek profile.
With the metal frame secure, the temporary walkways were stripped away, leaving only open space. 120 massive panels had to be installed without a single scratch.
Each panel was an engineering marvel, featuring 3 layers of ultra-clear tempered glass bonded together.
Weighing hundreds of pounds, every single sheet required pure muscle to maneuver into position.
Laying the first panel over the void was a true leap of faith.
The panels were locked into the metal skeleton, sealed to flex with the bridge, but never break. Slowly, the terrifying empty spaces were filled, transforming the skywalk into a crystal path.
6 months of wind tunnel simulations dictated the bridge's aerodynamic trapezoidal design. To counteract dangerous vibrations, engineers installed a hidden defense mechanism. 50 half-ton glass balls were placed underneath the deck as tuned mass dampers.
When the wind pushes the bridge, these massive weights shift in the opposite direction, instantly killing the sway. Large water reservoirs were also added, using fluid dynamics to absorb any remaining kinetic energy.
To prove its safety, the bridge needed to survive the ultimate gauntlet.
Engineers drove a heavy 2-ton SUV directly over the pristine glass panels. At the very center of the span, one final, terrifying feature was installed.
A custom-built platform for the world's highest commercial bungee jump.
A sheer 285.5-meter drop for the ultimate adrenaline chasers. The center skeleton was heavily reinforced to absorb the massive shock load of falling bodies. Following the architect's vision, the massive support towers were covered in vegetation. The massive structure effectively vanished, blending perfectly into the natural landscape.
On August 20th, 2016, the Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon Glass Bridge finally opened to the world.
But the engineers vastly underestimated the sheer scale of the world's curiosity. Designed for 8,000 daily visitors, the bridge was instantly swarmed by over 80,000 people a day.
Strict security checkpoints banned heavy items, sharp objects, and tripods to prevent accidental damage.
Just 13 days after opening, the overwhelming human tidal wave forced the authorities to shut it down. It wasn't a structural failure, but a logistical nightmare that required an urgent, massive upgrade. By September 30th, the infrastructure was overhauled and the ultimate skywalk reopened. Today, it stands as a testament to the sheer willpower of modern engineering.
A structure that defies gravity, built by men who laughed in the face of fear.
The Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, a terrifying, beautiful scar of steel across the sky. Every cable, every bolt, every massive pane of glass tells a story of extreme precision. Engineered to withstand the impossible, supporting hundreds of lives suspended in the atmosphere.
A flawless mirror reflecting the heavens, hiding a deadly plunge.
From the valley floor, it looks like a fragile spider web spun between two monoliths.
But up close, it is an unbreakable fortress of steel and concrete. Routine inspections ensure this massive machine of tension remains perfectly balanced. The secret lies in the redundancy. If one layer shatters, the remaining glass easily holds the load.
Designed to mock the elements, it stands unmoving even in vicious mountain storms.
Every seam, every joint, sealed tight against the brutal mountain climate.
The center platform handles violent dynamic loads that would tear a normal bridge apart.
The structure flexes exactly as designed, absorbing and dissipating the terrifying kinetic energy. From a wild dream to a terrifying reality, it pushed the boundaries of what is structurally possible. The men who built it left behind a legacy etched into the very sky itself.
Over 2,200 tons of material floating effortlessly above the void.
It forces humanity to face its deepest, most primal fear of falling.
It forces humanity to face its deepest, most primal fear of falling.
The mountain itself was conscripted to hold this massive beast in place. The tools of its creation were locked away, but the tension remains forever. Beneath the beautiful glass lies a complex, hidden nervous system of vibration control. A masterpiece of physics, where opposing forces are manipulated into perfect, rigid harmony.
Architecture blending with nature, refusing to destroy the beauty of the Grand Canyon. Safety was built into every single millimeter of the handrails and structural borders.
The pinched, hourglass design naturally funnels the ferocious canyon winds safely around the deck.
For the brave, stepping out is a rush of pure, unadulterated adrenaline.
It is the ultimate bridge between human ambition and the raw power of nature. Every weld, inspected and verified, acts as a critical lifeline for the thousands above. Thousands of individual steel wires bound together to create an unbreakable spine of tension. Hidden in the fog, it waits to challenge the bravery of anyone who dares to cross. A crystal clear path that demands absolute trust in modern engineering. The mountain desperately tries to pull away, but the deep anchors refuse to let go. When the crowds leave, the bridge stands in absolute, terrifying silence over the dark abyss.
Engineered to survive extreme seismic activity, the flexible suspension design absorbs massive ground tremors.
Over 1,400 feet of absolute terror and breathtaking beauty.
A playground for the fearless, suspended in the domain of the clouds.
Nothing but 3 inches of glass separating life from a fatal 300-meter plunge. A monument to the iron will of the men who conquered the sky.
The Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge remains one of the most audacious construction projects in human history. A true marvel of extreme engineering that changed the world forever. This is the ultimate glass skywalk. This is Zhangjiajie.